If you love working with your clients, but at times feel overwhelmed with the business side of things when it comes to launching or growing your own coaching business, then you're certainly not alone. PwC did a recent study where they found that the coaching industry itself is the second fastest growing industry sector, and it's growing at a rate of 6% per year. We only have to reflect on the last couple of years to see how fast things are actually moving, and it's becoming increasingly more important in this online-first business world to have a way that you can authentically stand out from the competition and attract premium clients to you, even if no one's ever heard of you before or you're a brand new coach. Having built multiple 6- and 7-figure coaching and consulting businesses and helping my clients to do the same, even if they were starting from scratch, I've learned a few key things along the way on how to really launch and grow a profitable coaching business without getting lost or stuck in the overwhelm. In this series, I'm going to be taking you through 3 key topics that's going to really support you to start making the income, the impact, and have the freedom and fulfillment that you desire in your own coaching or consulting business. First up, we'll be focused all around confidence so that you feel really empowered to step out into the market and really showcase what you can do. Next, we'll be diving into my credibility secrets so you can position yourself in the right way for your market in order to attract those premium clients to you so that they're sold on you before you've even had a conversation. And lastly, we'll be focused around consistent clients. So I'll be sharing some simple and easy ways that you can bring in clients into your business as and when you need them, so you don't have to feel at the mercy of your network having to refer you and sitting by the phone waiting for it to ring. I see far too many coaches and consultants who are great at what they do. They love working with their clients. They deliver great results, yet they're not making the income, the impact, and they don't have the freedom that they truly want in their own coaching business. And I'm on a mission to help change that. My name is Amy Smith, and I will be guiding you through this 3-part series, which is an exclusive IECL membership event on how to launch and grow your own profitable coaching business without the overwhelm. I look forward to seeing you there.